came on, my head I got sadder. Money got longer, speaker got louder, car got faster.
Today I'm going to be using a banana, avocado, olive oil, and honey. So let's get to it. Stop. We're going to put half the banana in. Take avocado. Put about half. I'm gonna put the whole thing. Put the avocado in there. This mask right here helped me through so much. Like literally, it helps if your hair is damaged, dull. It restores shine. It protects your hair from the heat or the cold, and it's just a lot of rich vitamins and oils in it. So girl, get on it. Very thick. Now and what I do to put it in is I separate my hair into sections, and I just work like a handful throughout every section, and then I'll comb through it just to make sure all of the product got inside of my hair strands. And I advise y'all to do this in your bathroom because this can get really messy, and also it smells really good. Y'all, look how shiny my hair is already. Like, girl. Some other tips, girl. Drink water. Drink maybe 2-3 bottles a day, you know. Stay hydrated. If you're hydrated, your hair is going to be hydrated. It's simple. Eat fruits, vegetables. Vegetables are good for you and also your hair. Like, y'all really sleep. It's simple things you can do every day to get more growth. And I also recommend all of y'all to take multivitamins. Like, y'all probably have a horrible diet, and this really helps a lot. Like, I'm in college, so I eat like noodles 2-3 times a week. So these vitamins like kind of substitute for what I need to be eating. Another thing, when it comes to growing your hair out, do not look at the other person's hair and be like, ooh, I want my hair like this so bad, so I'm going to just do everything they do. See, by you doing that, you're going to miss out on the stuff you really need to be doing. Like, try new things. Don't just settle for one thing because it worked for one person. You just need to keep experimenting with things. Like, I find that me using natural stuff helps my hair grow better. Like, when I deep condition and stuff, instead of buying stuff from the store, it's just how your hair reacts to certain things, basically. But anyways, I kept this in for about 2-3 hours, and then your girl washed it out, and I also sat under the dryer. So boom, here see me just basically washing my hair and just working my fingers through it and all that stuff, getting all that product out. And I only washed my hair once with the shampoo because I didn't want all the natural oils just to, disappear or whatever. Like, look at this shine. Like, baby. Yes. Look at this. Okay.